Get Anyone to Do Anything by Dr. David J. Lieberman. Introduction. Are you tired of being manipulated and taken advantage of? Do you sometimes feel you're not being listened to and don't get the respect and cooperation that you deserve? If you've ever wanted the ability to take control of every conversation and situation, now you've got it. Why go through life letting others lead you when you can use the greatest psychological secrets to make things go your way? Get anyone to do anything and never feel powerless again. Here, you enter a world where psychology reigns and detecting deceit, changing a person's mind, or controlling a situation are reduced to an easy-to-follow formula, a series of simple techniques and tactics. You will be able to use the most complete and advanced psychological strategies to enable your mind to become your greatest weapon. Most exciting, you should know that we're not talking about tricks that work sometimes on some people. This book contains only specific psychological tactics governing human behavior that will let you outsmart, outthink, and outmaneuver anyone, any place, anytime. These are carefully formulated tactics based on specific psychological principles and can be applied to any situation. Imagine how easy life would be if you were able to predict and control the outcome of any encounter. And instead of wondering what was going to happen, you applied proven, fast-working psychological tactics to gain complete and total cooperation from all people in any situation. Have you ever asked someone to help you out, and much to your surprise, she happily obliged? Or perhaps you wanted to make a good impression and the person found you completely irresistible. You wonder if it was luck, the person's mood, or the situation, when in actuality, you likely applied principles that govern human behavior without even knowing it. The good news is that you can duplicate those same responses systematically anytime you want, with anyone. To make it easy for you to learn how to apply these psychological secrets, the book is divided into 40 mini-chapters, each governing various real-life situations. And best of all, once you become familiar with the psychological principles, you'll see that you can use the techniques to be successful anytime, in any situation that you find yourself in. Get ready to make life easy and have things go your way when you get anyone to do anything and never feel powerless again.